The train not only hit the truck hard but also destroyed the boat placed on top of it. A train collided with a truck, and pipes flew everywhere. What a scene! The truck tried to cross the train track at the worst possible time. See the results for yourself. A truck got stuck on the tracks, and the train crashed into it.
This truck got stuck on the railroad. The railroad thing's coming. Here he comes. Oh, shit.
This man could see the train approaching, but still, he didn't stop the truck. What do you think about this? This footage shows a massive collision between a train and a bus. The train crashed into a dump truck loaded with rocks. In this video, a truck stopped on the railway track for some unknown reason. Why do you think it stopped there? A man was walking on the tracks and ended up in front of an oncoming train. In St. Stephen, a train crashed into a tractor trailer. The scene was so intense that everyone was shocked. A train and a semi-trailer collided south of Atlanta. The train was approaching at high speed, but instead of stopping, people were trying to move their belongings to the other side. Was this safe? A strange moment occurred when the driver stopped the train because a man was sleeping on the tracks. Have you ever seen something like this? This footage shows a biker trying to cross the level crossing while a speeding train was approaching. A fast-moving train hit a truck that was stuck on the railway tracks. This poor pigeon accidentally flew in front of a train. The train was about to switch to another track but ended up colliding with an oncoming train. Have you ever seen such a crash? This deer narrowly escaped. Walked onto the tracks and had a strange standoff with the train.
Boss, what you did? What you did, boss?
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. Share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next one.